Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 4 Module 5 Lesson 23 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, circle any fractions that are equivalent to a whole number. Record the whole number below the fraction. So A, count by 1/4. Start at 0/4, stop at 6/4. Alright, so start. 0/4 is just 0, so that's a whole number. And now we have 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 is equal to 1, so that's a whole number. So we're gonna circle that. And then after that is 5/4, 6/4. And that's it. Stop at 6/4. So the whole numbers here is 0 and 1. Alright, now B. Count by 1/6. Start at 0/6. Stop at 14/6. So 0/6. That's 0. Now that's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6. 5/6 and 6/6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. This is equal to a whole. So that's 1. Alright, next is 7/6, 8/6, 9/6, 10/6, 11/6, 12/6. Circle back. 12 divided by 6 is 2, which is equal to a whole number. That's 13/6 and stop at 14/6. So 0, 1, 2. Alright, now number 2. Use parentheses to show how to make ones in the following number sentence. So, how to make a whole. We see here we have 1/3. So 1/3, our denominator is 3. So therefore, if we have 3 and 1/3, 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, that would make 3/3, which is a whole. So we can just group it by groups of 3 because each group of 3 is equal to 1. So here we have 4 groups of 3, which is equal to 4 groups of 1, which is equal to 4. Or 4 groups of 3. Alright, now number 3. Multiply as shown below. Draw a number line to support your answer. 6 times 1/3. So I drew a number line. 0 to 1, that's 3/3, which is also 3 times 1/3. And 1 to 2, that's another 3/3, which is 3 times 1/3. And they only reach 2, not to 3, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So that's equal to 6 times 1/3. So that's 2 times 3/3, because we have 2 of the wholes, and each whole is 3/3, so that's 2. So let's try 10 times 1/2. I don't know where I'll end, but here we have 0 to 1, and 1/2 is in the middle. So from 0 to 1, we have 2 halves, because this is 1/2 and then 2 halves. So that's 2 times 1/2. And now 1 to 2, half is in the middle. That's another 2 times 1/2. So 2 plus 2 is 4, so we have 4 so far. Actually, I think we need to extend this a little. Now we have 3. Our half is in the middle. That's 2 times 1/2 again. We have 2, 4, 6. So we still have room for some more. So here, 1/2 is in the middle. 2 times 1/2. 2, 4, 6, 8. And we just need one more. Our half is in the middle. Oh, yeah. So here we have 10 times 1/2, because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Which is equal to 5 times 2 over 2, because each time 0 to 1, that's 2 halves, and we have 5. That's 5 times 2 over 2, which is 5. So 5 is our answer. Alright, now C, 8 times 1/4. So 0 to 1 split into fourths. This is 4 times 1/4, because 4 1/4 from 0 to 1. And now 1 to 2. It's another 4 times 1/4, and look at that, 4 plus 4 is already 8, so we're already there. And that means 8 times 1/4 is equal to 2 times 4/4. Because we have 2 of these little bumps, and each of these bumps is 4/4 because it reaches to the next hole. And that will give us 2. Alright, next page. Number 4. Multiply as shown below. Write the product as a mixed number. Oh wait, hold on. Did I write the... Okay. Draw number line to support your answer. 7 copies of 1/3. That's basically 7 times 1/3. So, okay, this is pretty much the same as before, so don't really need to explain that much. But except this time there's going to be an extra. It's not going to go straight through. So 7 times 1/3. Each time we reach the next hole, that's 3/3. So 3 times 1/3. 3 times 1/3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, but we need one more to get to 7, so we can do plus 1/3 more. So let's try B. 7 copies of 1/4. 0. This is a whole. And from 0 to 1, we have 4 times 1/4. So we have 4 copies of 1/4. Alright, now, actually 4, we just need 3 more to get to 7. So, this is right here. 3/4. So 7 times 1/4 equals 1 times 4/4 plus 3/4. So 1 times 4/4, that's 1 plus 3/4, which is 1 3/4. Alright, next. C, 11 groups of 1/5. Start at 0. So 0 to 1, and I split into 5. So 0 to 1, that's 5 times 1/5. Alright, and now 1 to 2, that's another 5 times 1/5. So far we have 5 plus 5, which is 10 times 1/5. But we need 11, so we can just draw one more. Like right here. Just do plus 1/5. So 11 groups of 1/5 is 11 times 1/5. Which would be 2, because we have 2 of the wholes times 5/5 plus 1/5. So 2 times 5/5 would be 2, because that's 2 times 1. Plus 1/5, that's 2 and 1/5. Alright, now D. 7 times 1/2. 0 to 1, split in half. 7 and 1/2. That's 2 times 1/2. And now 1 to 2. That's 2 times 1/2. And now 2 to 3. It's another 2 times 1/2. That's 2, 4, 6, and we just need 1/2 more to get 7. So 7 times 1/2 is equal to 3 times 2 halves. That's how many halves are in a whole. And then plus the last half. So that's 3 times 1, which is 3 plus 1/2. That's 3 1/2. Alright, now 9 times 1/5. Zero to 1, that's 5 times 1/5. And now, actually, we don't need another whole, we just need 4 more. So that's 4/5. 9 times 1/5 is equal to 1 times 5/5 plus 4/5, which is equal to 1 plus 4/5. That's 1 4/5. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. See you next time. Bye.